Good morning everyone. Let us start analysis of 2015 Bullcat 10. Good morning all of you. Am I loud and clear? Please say a quick yes, all of you. Am I audible? Yes guys. Bhavya, Vinayak, Rashmita and Srujan. Okay, let us start. That is the very first question of AR section and it was pretty difficult, avoidable. I don't have any shortcut for this. You have to make cases only. There were 5 variables: names, surname and lodge name, the hut name and husband and wife names. Yes guys. Rashmita, it was a difficult set. We have to make cases only. I don't have any shortcut for this. Yes, LR was very difficult, Vinayak. And there were some mistakes too. Some leaving the set. Yes, now coming to 43rd question, that was a Venn diagram of 5 variables. Yes guys, any problem in this? That was a good set. Yes, Rashmita. Actually, there were 5 variables given, but we'll make a Venn diagram of 3 variables only because of the conditions. Now, see the condition. The student who passed in maths failed in all other subjects except English. What do you mean by that? It means that the number of students who are passed in maths, they are also passed in English. It means if we talk about Venn diagram, the math circle will lie in English. Is it okay? Srujan and Rashmita? Now, the students who didn't fail in physics, it means the students who are passed in physics, they are also passed in chemistry. It means physics circle that will lie in chemistry circle. Now fourth, if we take fourth statement, the students who failed in English passed in chemistry and none passed in both the subjects. The students who failed in English, they are passed in chemistry. It means English and chemistry, they will be different circles. Is it okay? Clear? The students who failed in English, who are not passed in English, they are passed in chemistry and none passed in both the subjects. That's why there is no intersection here. So if we club all these logics, we'll get a Venn diagram this way. We will have a chemistry circle. We'll have this English circle. Then we have maths. Then we have this physics inside chemistry. And we are left with bio. For bio, there is no instruction given. That's why I'm taking this way. Bio is intersecting with chemistry, physics and English, but it cannot intersect with maths because the condition was the students who passed in maths failed in all other subjects except English. Is it okay, Rashmita? Now we will take variables, we'll take conditions. Let it be A, B, C, D. This is E, F, G and H. Now we will take conditions. The first condition says the number of students who passed only in chemistry, that they are 17. It means A is 70. And the students, those passed in maths is 13. So G is 13. We are just putting the values. Then we have the number of students who passed in biology is 46. Biology is 46. And I'm going to write the condition. Biology. So it will be C plus D plus E plus H. That is 46. Then we have the number of students who passed only in English is 10. Only in English. They are 10. So we know F value. Now we are left with one more condition. That says the number of students who failed in 4 subjects. It means we are talking about those students who are failing, who are failed in 4 subjects. It means they are passed in exactly 1 subject. So that is A plus F plus H. They are passed exactly in 1 subject. Is 7 less than those who didn't pass in chemistry? Who didn't pass in chemistry? It means we'll take F plus G plus E plus H. Who didn't pass in chemistry? That is 7 less than. And there is one more condition. The number of students who passed in 3 subjects is 18. Exactly 3 subjects we are talking about. If we take exactly 3 subjects, we can see this is only C, because for D that is lying in 2 circles. That's why we can take only C. So its value is given as 18. Is it okay, guys? C will be 18. Now by putting values you can solve it. Clear? Okay. So let us move further. See, there was a mistake in this set, because if you have PDF copy with you, you just go through the explanation part. They are not using this, only bio. That's why answer for I think there were 4 questions. 2 were right, but 2 were wrong. Answer will be changed in those 2 questions. I think one answer will be CBD. Cannot be determined, I mean, because you don't know H and D's value. You are just getting addition of them. D plus H you are getting by solving these equations, but you don't get value of D and H. That's why. Okay, now let us move further. Question number 48. Moderate level question, not very difficult, not an easy set. Yes, guys, any problem in this set? Because this is reported as a difficult one. Good, Rashmita. Okay, very good. Okay, let us move further. Yes, now coming to math section. Question number 67. Any problem in this? Yes, Vinayak, this was a kind of this question. Exactly, Vinayak. Yeah, any problem in this question? 67 one. Yes, guys, I'm waiting for your response. Okay, Bhavya, let us see. A natural number is written on each face of a cube so that the sum of the numbers on all the faces is S. A small triangular portion is sliced off from each corner of the cube. The product of the numbers on the faces that meet at a particular corner is written on the portion sliced off at that corner. The sum of the numbers written on all the sliced off portion is 2004. how many different values can I take? So what we can do here, see, you have to visualize this actually. So we have a cube this way, I can, yes, let us start now. I'm naming them. So now what is given? If I take this face A, B, C, D, you have to visualize it. Let us write X on that. Let us suppose X is the natural number that is written on the face A, B, C, D. Now I'm considering A, B, G, F, A, B, F, G, sorry. Let us take this as Y. I mean, this is Y, the base one. And this, the vertical thing, this is X. And say the front thing, let us take the name ABHD, that is say Z. Are you getting me, guys? You have to visualize it. And opposite to X, I am considering the number written is P. Opposite to Y, number written is Q. And opposite to Z, number written is R. Are you getting me, guys? Bhavya, that was your problem. Okay. Now, what is the thing given? We are writing on every corner, we are writing the product of the three adjacent faces. So, if we talk about A, on A, product will be X, Y, Z. Can I say this? Clear? And if we drop ABGF and instead of this face we take DHEC. DHEC, it will be XQZ. So if we take all these products on 8 corners, we will have 8 terms, and the terms will be XYZ plus BYZ plus XQZ plus XYR plus PQR plus XQR plus PYR plus PQZ. So that will be the thing you will get. Clear? So if you factorize them, you will get X plus P into Y plus Q into Z plus R. And that is given as 2004. So basically we are getting 3 factors whose product is 2004. Now you can write the prime factorization for 2004 and now you can proceed. Is it okay, Bhavya? Clear? Because the main difficult part was the expansion only. So let us move. Yes, difficult thing. Okay, Rashmita, that was a difficult set actually. See, if you solve it, you will get a cubic equation. Not exactly cubic, rather it will be a huge equation in degree 6, and obviously degree 6 is not manageable. So we'll try to reduce it. As you can see, this term we can write this way, x minus 11. So we are trying to relate every term with this. So we can write 3 upon, first of all, okay, let us see, we have different constants here. So we'll try to make them equal. That was a hit and trial only. If we take this c minus 1 with it, we'll get x upon x minus 3. Is it okay? Plus 1 rather. We'll get x upon x minus 3. And if we add 1 to every term, avoidable sum actually, we'll get x upon x minus 5. We are trying to relate them. So I'm taking this 4 on left hand side. I'm adding 1 to every term. So we'll get the expression as x upon x minus 3 plus x upon x minus 5 plus x upon x minus 17 plus x upon x minus 19. This is equal to x square minus 11x. Now we'll try to relate every term with this thing only. So if we put this as x into x minus 11, then you take it as y, and you can convert the whole thing in y, then you will get a cubic equation in this. Is it okay, Rashmita? That was avoidable. Difficult question on algebra? Clear? No shortcut for this because the options were very huge. Otherwise, we normally take options, we'll put these options in equation. The option which is satisfying the equation will be the answer. But see, on the right hand side you can see the square, and in every option you have a square root, so it will be a huge thing. So explanation is the best part we can do in this sum. Okay, let us move further. Guys, you read this question. I'm so sorry, answer for this question is wrong. Okay, you just try this question. Let me have water. I think the answer will be, it will be 4325167. It will be the answer. You just go through this question, you try to solve it, you take your time. I'm giving you 2 minutes, 3 minutes rather for this. Okay guys, start. Let us see guys. It says all the 7-digit numbers containing each of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 exactly once and not divisible by 5 are arranged in the increasing order. Find the 2015th number of in this list. So if we take, say, number starting with 1, we have 7 places to fill in, and the number shouldn't be divisible by 5. So the last place can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 6, and it can be 7. So if I take one case corresponding to a number which is starting with 1 but ending in 2, how many places are there? There are 5. So for these 5 places, how many possibilities? 5 factorial. What do you mean by 5 factorial? That is 120. And corresponding to everything, you will get 120. So in total, these many numbers, I mean 600 numbers are gone because we want to reach 2015th number. Is it okay? These 600 numbers, they will be arranged in the increasing order. So similarly, we'll leave all those numbers which are starting with 2. With the similar logic, they'll be 600. Then again with 3, again 600. As you can see, we have got 600 thrice. That means 1800 numbers are gone. Now, this is for sure that my number will start with 4. That's why first option cannot be the answer. Is it okay guys? Are you getting me? Yes. Now, we will take those numbers which are starting with 4, and the first number in the increasing order will start with 41. Now, the number starting with 41, but it shouldn't be divisible by 5. Now, 4 and 1, we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These were the digits. 4 and 1 we have used. So, for last place, how many choices are available? It can be 2, 3, 6, 7, because the number shouldn't be divisible by 5. So for these places, how many choices are available? They are 4 factorial. So there are 24 numbers. corresponding to everything. That's why I'm multiplying this by 4. So these 96 numbers are out. Similarly for 42. Again 96 numbers are out. So these 1800, 96 and 96. So it will be how much? It will be 1992. These many numbers are out and we want to reach 2015th number. It means still 23 numbers are left. Are you getting me, guys? Okay. So it is for sure that my number will start with 43. That's why fourth option, that is not the answer. My number will start with 43. Now, if my number is starting with 43, the first number you will get in the increasing order will be 431. It will start with 431. These digits were available and we have used 431. So my number can end in 2, 6 and 7. So how many digits are left? They are 3. And for these 3 factorial, 6 permutations are available corresponding to every unit place. So these 18 numbers are gone. Are you getting me? We want to count 23 numbers. These 18 are gone. So my number will start with 432. So if you take 432, if we take the last place to be 1, see these digits were available, 4, 3, 2, these are used. So the first number, the first category which is starting with 432 but ending in 1, how many numbers are gone? 6 numbers. For these 3 factorial things are available. So 6 numbers are gone. Are you getting me, guys? And the last number will be, see, we want to count only 5 numbers. So I'm writing actually 24th number. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24th number will be 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1. Clear? 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1. And 23rd number will be a number before this number. It will be 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 7. This will be the answer in this case. Clear, guys? Is it okay? Vinayak, Rashmita, Srujan. It was a lengthy sum. Vinayak, I'm waiting for your answer. Let me see. You said your number should start with 4, 3, 2, 1. If we take 4, 3, 2, 1, we are left with 5, 6, 7. 5 cannot come at this place, unit place I mean. So my number can end in 6 or 7. So these 4 numbers are out because we want to count 5 more numbers after 18. So these 4 are out. So the next number I can take, it will start with 4, 3, 2, 5 only. That's why. Is it okay, Vinayak? Because if you taking a number which is starting with 4, 3, 2, 1, see you have taken 4 places and you are left with only 3 places. The unit place cannot be 5. That's why the unit place can be 6 or 7. And for the remaining 2 places, you have factorial permutations. That's why there are 4 choices. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 576. Then you have 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 7. Correct. Then you have 4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, we want to take permutation of this. Exactly. I'm so sorry. Yes, Vinayak. Exactly. Because these four numbers are out, we want to count the next number. It will be 4, 3, 2, 5. Definitely my number will start with 4, 3, 2, 5. The digits we are left with, they are 167. So it should be 167. Correct. Correct. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Vinayak. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. Guys, is it okay? Clear? Okay. Okay, let us move further. Yes, that was a hit and trial question, 75th. Any problem in this? Yes, guys. 75th. Any problem in this? That was a hit and trial. You will write the prime factorization for 2001. You will take x raised to power x. You will try to make that. Okay, let us move further. Question number 84, again an avoidable question on algebra. Very difficult it was. Explanation is the best part I can do in the sum, otherwise this is very difficult. Otherwise you can take the expansion of these three expressions. The terms will get cancelled. Any problem in this? In this paper we have many questions on algebra and they were very difficult. Okay guys, let us move then. Yeah, question number 90. We are getting many answers for this. Rashmita, it says that A union B, that should be equal to X and they should be disjoint subsets. It means we cannot take, the intersection should be 5. There will be no term in the intersection. The product of all the elements in A and B are represented by product A and product B. Quotient is the smallest possible integer. Then what is the difference between the sum of all elements in A and sum of all elements in B? If product A is a multiple of product B, it means product of that should be exactly divisible by product of B. So there are 10 terms, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. We'll try that their quotient is as smallest possible integer. As you can see, there is a 7 in the list. So, but you don't have any multiple of 7 here. I mean, there is only one multiple of 7. So we have to keep 7 in the numerator. Is it okay, Rashmita? Clear? Okay. Because we don't have any other multiple of 7, we'll take 7 in the numerator only. Because if you take 7 in denominator, then it will not be a multiple of product of B. So we'll take 7 here. So if we go random, since the quotient should be smaller, so I'll try to make this as the quotient only. So that was a hit and trial only. So if we take random numbers, let me take 10, 8, 9. Now 10 we can use 5 and 2 here. For 9 we can use 3 and 6. You can take 1, 3 from here, 1, 3 from here. Bhavya, see, the thing I was telling you that 7 should be in numerator only because there is no other multiple of 7 other than 7. So if you take 7 in the denominator, we don't have any other multiple of 7 in the numerator. In that case, product of A will not be a multiple of product of B. Is it okay, Bhavya, then? Clear? I'm waiting for your response. All of you? Yes. Okay. So, as you can see, corresponding to this 10, I'm putting 5 and 2 here. See, these many digits were available. These many numbers. 7 you have used. 10 you have used. 8, 9. Corresponding to 10, I have taken 5 and 2. To make this 9, I'm putting 3 and 6. Now we are left with 4. As you can see, we are getting an 8 here. I'm putting 4 here. Now it will be, we are left with 1. 1 you can adjust anywhere because multiplication with 1 will give you a same number. It will give you 7. That is the possible quotient. That is the possible smallest quotient. So if you go by hit and trial, you will get numerous answers for this. So I'm changing the answer for this. It should be CBD, cannot be determined. Is it okay? In the explanation, only one possibility is given, that we are taking 7 factorial here and remaining numbers 8, 9, 10 here. But we are getting numerous answers for this. So answer should be CBD in this case. Because what is asked, what is the difference between the sum of all elements of A and sum of all elements of B? So let us move, guys. Okay, what about 92nd question? Very, very easy. We normally, whenever we have a series question, we normally go by value putting. That is the best technique. Easy, very easy. Yes, any problem in this? We are not going to calculate everything. Yes, okay, Rashmita. Rashmita, whenever you see, this is a series question and 2015th term is asked. Sum of 2015th term is asked. Now, you cannot write all the 2015th term, obviously. And we have formulas only for AP, GP, HP and AG series as well. This is neither of them. That's why what we will do, we will take this 2015 as N and we will convert this sum into N. I'm putting 2015 as N. Now you can convert the options. So my first option, if converted in N, it will be this. Second will be this. Third will be, and fourth will be this. Is it okay? Rashmita, you getting me? These options I'm converting in N. Now we'll go by value putting. What do you mean by value putting? If we take N as 1, it means what? We want to calculate sum of one term. What is sum of one term? This. It will be what? It will be 3 upon 1 plus 2 plus 6. It will be 1 by 3. So we'll go by value putting. We'll take N as 1 in the options. The option which is giving you 1 by 3 will be the answer. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 1 factorial. Obviously that is not the answer. Then you have 1 by 2 minus, you are putting this. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Is it okay? I think that is clear now, Rashmita. Okay, so whenever you have a series question, say nth some term is asked or sum of some terms are asked. So in those cases, you will convert the whole sum in N if options are mentioned. Okay, 93rd, medium level question on time and work. Yes, guys, any problem in this question? In previous bull marks too, you had many questions on T and W. Shreya, okay. It says Rahul alone can complete a piece of work in 90 days, while Anurag and Ketan can individually complete the same work in 40 days and 12 days respectively. Rahul works alone on the first day, Anurag works alone on the second day, Ketan works alone on the third day. It means they are working on alternate days. And if they are paid rupees 1 lakh for the job, in what ratio should they share the money respectively? No need to consider this line. Only we want to take the ratio of their work done, because money will be divided in the same ratio. Is it okay? Shreya? Correct? Are you getting me, Shreya? Whenever you have a question based on alternate days thing, or the persons are working alone, the best approach we can do is taking LCM. We will not go into fractions, it will be cumbersome. We'll take LCM. How many numbers you can see in this question? They are 90, 40 and 12. I'll take their LCM or a multiple of all of them, and we are getting 360. So I'm considering let the total work be 360 units. Now how many persons are here? One is Rahul, one is Anurag, and one is Ketan, and the same sequence they are following. Now Rahul can complete 360 units of work in 90 days. It means in one day he'll do 4 units. I'm taking 360 by 90. And for Anurag it will be 9 units. And for Ketan it will be 30 units. Now the sequence goes this way: Rahul, Anurag, Ketan, then Rahul, then Anurag, then Ketan, then so on. In the span of 3 days, because they are working on alternate days, in the span of 3 days, they are doing 43 units of work. We are adding them, 4 plus 9 plus 30. Are you getting me, Shreya? So 43 units they are doing in 3 days. And we want to reach this 360. So before 360, what is a multiple of 43? It will be 43 into 8. It means in 24 days they are doing 43 into 8 work, these many units, and 43 into 8 is 344 units. Are you getting me? So in 24 days these many units they are done. Now we want to reach 360. So what is the number of units? What are the number of units left? They are 360 minus 344. They are 16. Now Rahul will take his turn, and in his turn he'll do 4 units of work. Anurag will do 9 units of work, and the remaining work is done by Ketan, that is 3 units. So it means for 24 days Rahul is working. Let me use another color. Okay, so I'm writing Rahul. For Rahul, 4 units every day he's doing the work, and for 24 days he's doing the work, and 4 extra. For Anurag, it will be 9 into 24 plus 9. And for Ketan, that was the problematic part. Ketan is also working for 24 days into 30 plus this 3 extra. So that is the ratio of the, you can find the ratio of the work done by all of them, and in the same ratio they will divide the money. Is it okay? Yes, okay. Okay guys, let's move then. 97, again you could go by value putting. That was an easy sum. You can consider there are 2 blacks and 2 whites only, and there are 2 people. What is the probability that each of the n people draws 2 balls of different color? It means they should get black and white. Always. Clear guys? Should I move further? That was an easy question. By value putting we'll do it. Okay. 99th. Again by value putting we'll go. I don't have a shortcut for this. We'll take n as 1. Then you will get 1 raised to power 4, which is 1, and 2 raised to power 4 will give you 16. and at 5 I think you are getting the thing. Clear? Any problem in this question? The main problem in this question was options were not given. If the options are given, then this is a very easy question. Clear? Okay, let's move then. Question number 100. Any problem? That was a simple question on algebra, or sorry, average. Any problem in this question, guys? Okay, guys, that was it. 87th we are left. I think we are left with 3 more questions. Okay, 87th. Any problem in this? Again, by value putting will go. I'm waiting for your response, all of you. Rashmita is typing something. Okay, you have no problem. Okay, let us move then. 80th. Nice question. Okay, and the last question, second last question, 78. Any problem? Highest power question, the number of the highest power of any prime. Any problem in this? Today the crowd is very smart. You don't have any problem in any question. Good. Okay, 71st. That was a nice question on number system. Any problem in this, guys? Shreya, this time LR was very difficult. See, there was a set, the first set on some couple. They are honeymooning somewhere, something like that. That was a difficult set. That was avoidable. Otherwise, all the remaining sets were not avoidable. They were of moderate level. In the very first set, because there were 5 variables and very few hints were given, that was a difficult set. So whenever you are not comfortable in LR and you are getting this kind of set, you should avoid these. Because in these kind of sets, we can make cases only. We have to make numerous cases, and please practice these kind of sets. Practice LR. At least 10 sets in a day. If you are not comfortable in LR, okay guys, that was the last question you can see on your screen. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead, and see you next time on Saturday or Sunday with next analysis. Okay, thank you.